Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our sinking funds and savings challenges today, and I'm super excited because after 2 bad weeks at work, I finally have a decent amount to stuff into these binders. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and we're gonna get into it. All right, so first things first, let's count up our money. We've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. So 500, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So we are working with $572 today, and y'all, that sounds so good to me because the last couple weeks we have been stuffing like $100, $150. So I'm super excited to get into this. So let's start off with our sinking funds binder. And we are going to be adding $20 to our car down payment today. We currently have $2,000 in the bank and then 50, 70. So we are up to $2,070. And as always, I'm going to update my tracker over here. Car maintenance is going to be getting $25. And so car maintenance is now up to $100, $200, $220, $240, $260, $280, $290, $295. Next up, let's see, we are not stuffing car mods right now, but racing events is going to be getting $145. Now I do need to make a little bit of change. So let's see, I'm going to take I'm going to take 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm taking 15 out. And we're gonna grab back 160. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60. All right, so now we should have $300 here. So we've got 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. So $300 now in racing events. And remember, y'all, my goal for April was to get this up to $500 because my husband's big event of the year is coming up mid-May. So we need to get this up to $500, but we're doing all right so far. Next up is health. Health is going to be getting $30 today. All right, so we are now at 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 120 for health, and I do know we need to purchase a few things. My husband is running low on pre-workout and that kind of stuff, so we'll be using this envelope here soon. Running is getting $40 today. We are now at 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, $84 for running. And we do have a race that we want to sign up for, so I don't know how much that is, but hopefully that'll be enough to cover for both of us. Home is going to be getting $20, and it had nothing in there, so we are just at the 20. We are not stuffing clothing this week. Gifts is getting $20. think the next big gift I'll have that comes out of this is Mother's Day. All right, so let's see. Gifts were at $20, $40, $60, $80, $85. And next up, we are not stuffing YouTube. Savings. Savings is getting $40. And if y'all realize this, we depleted our emergency savings this past week. We did pay our taxes finally. So we are starting back up and getting this emergency savings back to $1,000. So $40 to start that back up. That's it for our sinking funds. Next up is going to be our general savings challenges. All right, so retirement has a 52-week challenge, and this week is $16. So we've got that crossed off. 10, 15, 16. All right. Oh, y'all, I think I messed up somewhere. We'll fix that in a second. So $16. All right, so retirement is now up to 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So $136 for retirement. All right, so what I just realized when I went to grab those ones is that my A's were not up front, which I usually like to do, but I think it's just, there they are. Okay, whew. When I did that extra like exchange of money for that first little exchange there, I thought I mixed my A's in, but we are now back to the $1 challenge. And this week we have 4 A's to put in there. And y'all, this envelope is getting so thick. I think I need to find a jar or something to start putting these in. But we had $4 going in there and we had 28 before. So we are up to $32 for the $1 challenge. We are not doing the savings challenge today, but we are stuffing vacation. So vacation is getting $80 today. So let's go ahead and color in 2 of these sunshines here. So I did want to try and get vacation fully funded by the end of this month, but it's probably not happening. Because fully funded would be $1,000, and we're getting close, but we are not quite there yet. Let's see where we are at once I add this 80 in. Right now, my husband's event and having money for that set aside is more important because our first big vacation is not until June. But let's see where we're at. So we have $500 in the bank. And then it's 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40. So 740, we are getting pretty close, y'all. Like, we're not that far off. But again, if we don't hit it this month, that is okay. So we are at 740. Next up is electronics, and I am going to be stuffing $10 into electronics today. It's not going to be enough to color in anything, but we're making a little bit of progress. We do have $175 in gift cards, and then we have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42 in cash. So that'll bring us up to $217 total. All right, next up is Pet Emergency Fund. And we are putting $10 in there today, so let's go ahead and color in one of these little bones. And we'll just give that 2 5s. So our Pet Emergency Fund is now up to $20, $25, $30, $35, $40, $45. And y'all don't forget, all of my trackers here that I'm using are listed on my Etsy shop as digital downloads. Date night is also going to be getting $10 today. So we get to color in one of the little rings. And we'll do 2 5s here. Actually, let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and switch this out for a 20. So we'll put those 5s back and pull a 20 out, just because I am going to need some 5s for my next couple envelopes. So we are up to $20 for date night. All right, next up is our Fuel Up Your Savings Challenge, and we are adding $15 to this today. And this money is pretty much just saving up for all of our trips that we have coming up, because gas is expensive, so we want to be ready for those trips. So let's go ahead and count up everything that we have in here. We are now up to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, $45. And that is it for this binder. Next up is our Disney binder, and the remaining, we should have $87 remaining here, and that is going to go into our resort fund. So let's see. This money is not accounted for on our tracker, so I'm going to set that right there real quick. And let's just double check that we have $87 here. So we got 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. All right, so let's see all that we have here, what we can color in. And I actually think, so this is a lot of ones, y'all, and I don't want to stick all these in here. And I know I have some tip money from this week that I can exchange some of these ones for. So let me pull out my wallet here real quick. That is my current tip money for the week. I'm going to make some change. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $20. Put that over here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I have a 10? I do have a 10. So 10 more this way. And then there's that 10. Okay. So this will go back into my wallet because I do not like to mix up my tips for the week. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's see. I am knocking stuff over today. Let's see what we have here. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. So 137. Let's go ahead. And with 137, we can color in one of the shower heads. So let's go ahead and color in one of those. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100 of this can be accounted for. So let's see where we are at. We have 500 in the bank, and then we have 100, 200, 300. Whoop, that would be 800. 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 920, 925. So 925. 945, 55, 60, 61, 62. So 962 is what we have in this envelope. All right, and that is it for y'all today. We are not stuffing anything else in this Disney binder. Remember, I did put the resort on our PayPal credit because I do have 6 months to pay that off with no interest. So right now, getting this resort fully funded is our main priority in the Disney binder. But hopefully soon, once we get that paid off, we can start stuffing for tickets and dining and drinks and snacks and all the souvenirs and fun other things that go along in this binder. All right, and that's gonna be it for today, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We are gonna be doing an unboxing and setting up our new business binder for YouTube and Etsy. And then on Friday, we will have our first side hustle income cash stuffing, and we will be stuffing our YouTube paycheck, our Etsy paycheck. Both of those are for March, and then also the money that I get for cleaning at my restaurant. All right, I hope I will see you then, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.